How to play Gimkit game. Go to gimkit.com/lev first, and copy the link that your teacher sent you. Then enter the game code to join the game. Just like Kahoot. Tap the screen and wait for your teacher to start the game. While you are waiting, you can draw funny things. Don't feel bored. The game is about to start. Read the instructions on the screen. Hit the button to see your role in the game. Are you an imposter or a crewmate? Don't speak to anyone about your role. Remember, this is a secret mission. Now, you can start answering the game. For every correct answer you hit, you will get energy points. With these energy points you can make the tasks. When you have enough energy points you can do different tasks. For example, you can make private investigations. Investigations may tell you if any player is an imposter or not. Your team members can't see your private investigation results. But, they can see your notes if they have enough points. If you have more points, you can make public investigations. Everybody can see the public investigation results. When your team has enough investigations, you can invite your team members to a meeting to vote who is imposter. Once you find, you can kick the imposter off the ship. Your team wins the game when you find all the imposters. If you can't find the imposters in time, they win the game.